Richa Modi and I'm from Calcutta. I'm 18 years old and I want to be a fashion designer. So it has only been a month since I've joined Disha Fashion Institute for their stitching classes, and I've been enjoying all their classes so much. Disha Fashion Institute is affiliated with Usha, and as you all know, it is a very famous brand for stitching machines. So till like a month back, I had no idea about stitching, but I feel in just 1 month's time, because of the classes with them, I have learned so much. I've come such a long way, and it's all because of the amazing and supremely talented teachers at Disha Fashion Institute who make online learning, like especially learning stitching online, so easy and enjoyable. And the teachers are so understanding, and they make sure that I've understood everything in class. And sometimes if I can't understand anything, or if I'm having some problems, they even have these videos made, and by looking at them, my doubts just get clear. And when I'm stitching at home, if I have any queries, if I'm stuck somewhere, I can just call them up or just text them to get the best possible advice. So thank you so much, and I look forward to all the classes to come.